For the past 9 years, I've been working with tradie business owners who typically they've been in the business for a little while, 3 to 4 years plus, that sort of length of time. They're quite often still working by themselves, or they may have an apprentice, but they can't quite seem to take that next step to bring on a team and to really take control of their business, get to a point where they can free up their time. They're making a good level of profit, as well as paying themselves really well. Quite often they're paying themselves enough to have a reasonable wage, but it's not setting the world on fire. It's not that much more than they were or could be getting working for someone else. And they're frustrated. As you can imagine, like after a few years of doing the same thing and not getting those results, they're really starting to get frustrated about, well, why am I doing this? Why don't I just go and work for someone else? Is all this pain and stress actually worth it? And these are my ideal clients for me, because part of my Get Off the Tools program is designed specifically for this tradie who wants to be able to free up their time. And that might not necessarily mean getting off the tools completely, but at least having the option to get off the tools when they want to, that they don't have to be on the tools every day. And this helps to really free up time to grow the business, to be able to go out and get those new clients that's going to be able to really elevate their business. Now, as I said, I've been doing this for over 9 years, and my signature program, Get Off the Tools, has been instrumental in helping hundreds of tradies be able to free up their time and give them that lifestyle that really dreamed of when they started their business. Last year, though, I spent a lot of time creating new content. I wrote 5 new books specifically for tradies and small business owners. And one of the key ones last year was Profit in Your Pocket. This really gave us the opportunity to take a model that I first learned from Mike Michalowicz called Profit First, and be able to really tailor it to traders. Profit First is a great way for small business owners to manage their finances, but it wasn't quite right for trade-based businesses. And Profit in Your Pocket has shown over the last 12 months to be a real game changer for my clients. We've been able to elevate the finances and the profitability of those businesses in a really short period of time. And what that's now allowed me to do with Get Off the Tools is be able to change the model slightly. So the first 3 months in Get Off the Tools is called Stabilize. And what we do over those 3 months is to really focus on getting the business and the business owner to a point where it's funding the cost for the Get Off the Tools program. So you straight away, basically, you're getting your cost paid and through the business, so that you're not having to worry about where the money's going to come from for the program. Quite often in the past, there's been a little bit of a barrier for some people that they just haven't quite been able to make the money they need to be able to afford to be part of Get Off the Tools. We've now alleviated that problem. So Stabilize, the first phase of Get Off the Tools, which is a 3-month phase, focuses on making sure that you're making money, getting extra money in your bank account to pay for the program, and focusing on how we can free up your time and getting you prepared for phases 2 and 3, which is Strengthen and Grow, where we really sort of take your business to another level. We strengthen basically you and the business, so that it can't fall back into old ways, and then it's ready to grow, where we can start to put more people on in the business and give you the structure and the systems that you can manage and lead as well. So this program now, it's a whole new level to help traders get off the tools. So if this is something that resonates with you, if you're that business owner that's just really sort of struggling, you might be turning over 200, 250, maybe 300,000 and paying yourself a wage or paying yourself a reasonable amount, but it might not be regular, it might be a bit ad hoc, and some months you have the money, some months you don't. then this program is ideally for you. Why don't you drop me a message, get in contact, and let's have a conversation. We have a look at what your business is currently doing. We'll look at your current challenges and see if Get Off the Tools is right for you, and see to make sure that also that you're a right fit for a tradie coach as well, so that we can help you to get the results that you deserve in your trade-based business. So if this sounds like you, reach out, send me a message, click on the link below to book in a call if you'd like, and I look forward to seeing how Tradie Coach and the Get Off the Tools program can help you and your business.